Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're diving deep into the world of versatile vans with the 2025 Toyota HiAce California. This iconic van has been a favorite among families, businesses, and adventurers for decades, and the 2025 model is set to continue the tradition. Let's explore what makes the HiAce California so special. The 2025 Toyota HiAce California boasts a timeless design that has stood the test of time. The boxy silhouette, rounded headlights, and distinctive grille give it a classic look that's instantly recognizable. While the overall design remains true to its roots, the 2025 model features subtle updates for a more modern aesthetic. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and comfortable interior that's perfect for both passengers and cargo. The HiAce California offers ample legroom and headroom, making it a comfortable choice for long journeys. The seating is designed for comfort and support, while the cargo area is versatile and can be configured to suit your needs. The 2025 Toyota HiAce is powered by a reliable and efficient engine that delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. The engine is tuned for both city driving and highway cruising, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The HiAce also offers good fuel economy, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Toyota is known for its commitment to safety, and the HiAce California is no exception. It comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features help to enhance your safety on the road and provide peace of mind. The HiAce California is a versatile vehicle that can be adapted to suit your specific needs. Whether you're using it as a family car, a business vehicle, or for recreational activities, the HiAce offers a spacious and practical interior. The cargo area can be configured to accommodate passengers or cargo, making it suitable for a variety of applications. The 2025 Toyota HiAce California is a timeless classic that continues to impress. With its comfortable interior, reliable performance, and versatile design, it's a practical and enjoyable vehicle for a wide range of drivers. Whether you're looking for a family car, a business vehicle, or a recreational vehicle, the HiAce California has something to offer. What are your thoughts on the Toyota HiAce California? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, Urban Rides Hub for more car reviews and updates.